still think power comes from fear, it's the only thing they ever respected. Look.
The night my world shattered, I stood frozen, watching my mom fall, shot down right there in front of me. The gunfire echoed in my ears. The blood on the pavement blurred my vision. Fear swallowed me whole, and the streets whispered only one truth. Life here is fragile, and death comes fast. I saw darkness all around me, pain, rage, and loss that seemed never-ending. But in the depths of that night, when all hope felt gone, something stronger held me. God's hand, unseen but real, wrapped around my broken heart. By His sovereign grace, I survived. By His mercy, I found strength to rise. Every scar, every struggle, every tear has been a thread in His story of redemption.